Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to continue with our again exercise 16b. So the first question for the day is question number 8, which says the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the measure of exterior angle. Find measure of each interior angle, measure of each exterior angle, and the number of sides in the polygon. Okay, so let's try to understand the case here. So it is given that each interior angle is how much? It is 5 times the measure of its exterior angle. That means if the exterior angle is x degree, then the interior angle will be 5 times x degree, which is 5x. Okay, now all of you know that sum of the interior and exterior, right? So from the last class you came to know that sum of the interior and exterior angle will be equals to 180 degree, isn't it? That is x plus 5x is 180 degree. So from here let's calculate the value of x. Okay, so the value of x turns out to be exactly 30. And what is this 30? 30 is my x, which is exterior angle. So that's why we say that each exterior angle will be 30 degree. Okay, so this is my second answer. Okay, so each interior angle will be 5 into x, which is 5 into 30, which is 150. That means my first answer, that is the measure of each interior angle, is 150 degree. Okay, now let's find the number of sides. Okay, so you have, let me consider the number of sides to be n, and you know if there are n sides, then each exterior angle will be calculated using this formula, right? But we know that each exterior angle is how much? It is equals to 30 degree. So that means the value of this is how much? It is 30 degree. So from here we'll calculate the value of n, which turns out to be 12. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So that's why the number of sides in the polygon is how much? It is exactly 12. Okay, so pause the video and note down your solution. Let's have another question, question number 9, which says the ratio between the interior and the exterior angle is 2:1. Find each exterior angle of the polygon and the number of sides in the polygon. So it is given that interior angle is to exterior angle is 2:1, right? So that's why in this case I am going to consider interior angle to be 2x and this exterior angle to be x. Okay, so that's what I have done here. Now again, you know that the sum of the interior and exterior will be 180 degree, right? So from here 2x plus x is 3x. So from here calculate the value of x. It turns out to be 60 degree, isn't it? Now what is x actually? X is exterior angle, isn't it? Right? So we have each exterior angle equals to 60 degree. So this is my first answer. The second part is again similar to earlier problem, which says if I consider the number of sides to be n, then what happens? Then we get each exterior angle, which is 60 degree, and this is the formula, isn't it? So bring this n over here and bring this 60 to the denominator, you get this much. After cancellation you find that the value of n turns out to be 6. And what is n? N is the number of sides in the polygon. So that's why number of sides in the polygon is 6 in this case. Alright, so pause the video and note down the solution. Let's have one more question, which says the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is twice the sum of its exterior angles. Find the number of sides of the polygon. See here carefully. So sum of the interior and exterior, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is twice the sum of the exterior angles. Now you know. Okay, so let me consider the number of sides to be n, because they are asking us to find the number of sides. Now you know that sum of the exterior angle is always 360 degree, isn't it? Yes. Now if it is 360 degree, then the sum of the interior angle is twice the sum of its exterior angles. That means sum of interior angle is double of this. Twice means double. Okay, so double of sum of exterior angle, which is 360 degree. So that's why we say sum of interior angles is 360 degree into 2, which is 720 degree. Now you know what is the formula for calculating sum of interior angles? It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is also sum of the interior angles, and this is also sum of the interior angles. So from here we'll calculate the value of n, which turns out to be exactly 6. So actually what is n? N is the number of sides, and as per the question we need to find the number of sides of the polygon, which turns out to be 6 in this case. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. So your homework is question number 10 only. Okay, thank you very much.